Garlic mayonnaise is one of the best mayonnaises, bursting with the flavor of fresh garlic. This mayonnaise is perfect for salads, fried foods, and spread for sandwiches and rolls. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special garlic mayonnaise. This mayonnaise mostly suitable for salads because of its garlic flavor. Let's check out our recipe. First, take 2 eggs in a blender jar. Blend for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then add a teaspoon of sugar to the eggs. It will be 5 grams. And salt to taste. Here I add 10 grams. Blend it again for about 10 seconds. Add 15 ml of vinegar and 25 grams of garlic. This will be about 3 small size of garlic. Close the lid and blend until garlic turns into a paste. Now it's time to add oil. Here I'm going to add 200 ml gradually. Divide the vegetable oil into 3 parts and add in 3 steps. Add the second part of the oil and blend till it gets thick. Look at the consistency. It's already quite thick and looks like a mayonnaise. But we still have the last stage, the third part of the oil. Add it and blend it a little longer, about 20 to 30 seconds. That's it. Our delicious garlic mayonnaise is ready. Look at this. What a beautiful consistency. Flavor is mouth-watering. The success of the recipe directly depends on the blender attachment. If you have tried before and nothing worked for you, the result is a simple liquid mixture that's nothing like a mayonnaise, then the problem is in the blender, not in you, not in the recipe. You need to choose the right blender or the right attachment of it. The standard leg attachment seems to me the most suitable for a successful mayonnaise.